Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new recruitment drive from the Cognizant company. Cognizant is hiring for the two positions basically. First they are hiring for the Gen Z Elevate position, which is for the 2022 batch, and the another one is that Cognizant campus HR team hiring for graduate trainee immediate basis requirement. Okay, so I'm going to explain all these things in this video, so please watch this video till end so that you will get a clear idea. Okay, so it takes some time to load. So yeah, now you can see here Cognizant campus hiring 2022 batch, Gen Z Elevate, this will be the position, or Gen Z developer. They are offering 4 LPA. Hiring starts by 21st of August. Okay, then reach out to your placement officers for the more details. So why you should join Cognizant? From internship to higher education, we have you covered. Link, you can see these are the main points of the Cognizant company, and everybody know that Cognizant is basically a very good company. So to apply for this, first you need to do the registration for the Gen Z Elevate. Round 1 will be skill based assessment. If you clear round 1, then you will be get select for the round 2, that is technical interview plus HR discussion. In that, selected for Gen Z Elevate and selected for Gen Z. Okay, so Gen Z Elevate offer and Gen Z offer. Gen Z offer I am going to explain further, so please hold on that. So these are the information like provided by the Cognizant company. To qualify for the Gen Z Elevate assessment, candidates should have at least basic hands-on proficiency in programming, which should be supported through evidence submitted in the self-profiling process. So eligibility criteria for the 2022 batch: BE Tech. Let me zoom in. BE Tech, ME Tech, MCA, MSc, IT student from 2022 batch, CSE, Electronics, Electrical, IT, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Information Science Engineering and allied branches only. Students should have a consistent academic record with minimum 60% or greater in 10th, 12th or diploma, undergraduation and post graduation. All subjects will be taken into consideration and will be calculated as below. Aggregate percentage equals to sum of all subject marks scored divided by total number of subject. As the last semester result declared. Student with standing arrears or more than 2 years of gap in education are not eligible at the time of joining. Recruits should have an overall aggregate of 60% or greater. Aggregate for the student who have applied for re-evaluation will be derived based on the initial scores. CGPA to percentage conversion will be considered as per the university norms. If your marks are in CGPA, then you need to convert your CGPA into percentage as per your university norms. Opportunities are open to Indian nationals, OCIs, PIOs who are currently residing in India. Mandatory information or mandatory documents for the registration. The registration link will be shared with the college TPO, and the students must scan and upload the below mentioned documents into a single PDF file while registering. You need to contact your training and placement officer for this link, for the registration link. Then resumes attached with the passport size photograph. Your resume should consist passport size photograph, your college ID card, all academic documents including the school certificate and college semester mark sheet, government ID proof, Aadhaar card, passport, front and back end as well, for or PAN card if available. Documents for the interview: resume maximum of 2 pages with the passport size photograph, college ID card, all academic documents and government ID proof. These documents will be required for the interview. Profile information: candidates should apply for only one category, Gen Z Elevate or Gen Z. you should apply for either Gen Z Elevate or Gen Z. If a candidate applies for both, the application will be rejected. Please guys, please note this point. If you apply for the both the position, then your application will be rejected. For the Gen Z developer, let me clear out this salary. For the Gen Z developer, salary is 4 LPA, and for the Gen Z super elevate, for the Gen Z elevate, the same salary, 4 LPA. So it is mandatory to choose one basic skill cluster to apply for Gen Z elevate. Candidate who have already registered in the platform can use same login credential to apply for the Gen Z elevate. If you are a new user, click on register now, and register now means you need to click here above here. Okay, you can see the button here. You need to click here to register if you are a new user. Okay, then you need to fill all the required details and you need to register with using personal email ID. Do not use college or university email address. Name of the student and date of birth should exactly match with the 10th mark sheet. Ensure student self-profiling is done with the accuracy, as changes will not be encouraged later. It is mandatory to declare gaps in education. Any break in the education should not exceed 2 years. Your gap should not exceed 2 years, and it is permissible only for valid reasons. Relevant document proof will be checked in such cases. Students should be of 18 to 28 years of age to apply. All communication to student and TPOs will be predominantly through Superset platform, and student can confirm their status in the platform. Placement office information. College placement officer needs to authenticate and ensure that only those students who meet Cognizant eligibility criteria are appearing for the placement process. So this is the disclaimer. So all this is about Gen Z Elevate and Gen Z position. Gen Z, let me talk about now Gen Z. Gen Z developer off campus 2019, 2020 and 2021. Job location is pan India. Application deadline is till 24th of October. You can apply. You can see here job function engineering and IT. CTC is 4 LPA. What is the job role? Understand business requirement, raise clarification, create understanding document, ensure complete understanding of the requirement by asking clarification questions and aligns oneself to it. Then understand the agile application development environment, deliverables due and follow the cycle, provide the inputs to create low level design for multiple components. Then you need to develop, maintain, test, debug and deploy code as per the requirement specification. Then understand the data requirement and develop test scenarios. Then identifies and prioritize tasks to meet deadlines, proactively addressing issues and mitigating points of failure. Okay, so all this will be your roles that you need to work. Click on apply now button. Okay, so first of all, you can see this image. Let me go up. You need to click on register now button. Once you click, you will get this page. Cognizant invites you to Superset to apply for this Gen Z Elevate Hiring 2022 position. This to apply for Gen Z Elevate, you need to start registering here, and to apply for Gen Z, you need to go to this link. From here you can apply. If you are applying for Gen Z Elevate, then you need to apply from here, and if you are applying for Gen Z developer, then you need to go here and apply. Okay, so click on start registering. If you are already registered, you need to click on sign in. Then if you are applying for developer, Gen Z developer, you need to go here and click on apply now button. You need to enter your email ID here. Let me enter. Please enter your email ID correct so that you will get. Now click on register and apply. Okay, so Now you need to fill all these details: basic detail, contact detail, current or most recent education, previous education, if you have any internship or work experience, and then you need to mention those, your profile photo and upload documents, and all done. Then you need to submit. So in this way you can apply for the Gen Z developer. And for the Gen Z Elevate, you need to click here start registering, and again you need to give your mail ID. Please give your mail ID correct. Click on register, and so okay, so in this way you can apply for the Gen Z Elevate. This is for Gen Z developer. I hope you got my point, the difference between Gen Z Elevate and Gen Z developer. Now Cognizant is also hiring for the campus HR team, hiring for the graduate trainee on immediate basis requirement. Any 3 years graduate from 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch candidate is eligible to apply for this drive. Application deadline is 30 October, and for this Gen Z Elevate and Gen Z developer, application deadline is 24th of October. So it's taking some time to load. So for this campus HR team, the CTC is 2.52 per annum. So this will be your job description. Eligibility criteria: any 3 years graduation program. You should have minimum 50% in 10th, 12th or diploma, and in undergraduation. No standing areas, no backlogs are allowed. Maximum gap 2 years required, and post graduation candidates are not eligible because they have directly mentioned here. Job description: responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud and on-premise product like Windows, Azure, Microsoft Office and other business application to our global customer. Then collaborate with 5.6 million users globally to ensure seamless functioning of business. Then work in partnership with various business domains like banking, finance, insurance, communication, media, retail, healthcare, all these things. Provide expert solution on infrastructure, applications, hardware and software installations and networking queries. Okay, so other things. And one more thing, that should be open to work in the flexible shift. There might be a situation that you need to work in the as per the client requirement. The client might be from, suppose, USA, Europe, like that. So as per the client requirement you need to work, so you should be open to work in the flexible shift, that is 24/7. So these are the three vacancies: Gen Z Elevate, Gen Z Developer, and this one, Cognizant Campus HR team. So this recruitment drive is conducting by the Cognizant company. So dear candidates, please apply for this off-campus drive. Do not miss this chance. This is a really great opportunity for you, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this drive. And thanks for watching this video.